Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be teaching you the chapter called Mensuration. And this mensuration has been divided in several exercises. We start with cylinder, second one is cone, third one is sphere, fourth one is combination of solids, and fifth one is conversion of one solid into another solid. So let's discuss cylinder. If you look at the definition given in the book, a figure which is obtained by rotating a rectangle. Take this side EB fixed and start rotating CD. So you will be getting a figure which is considered as cylinder. A cylinder is obtained by rotating a rectangular lamina by keeping one of its sides fixed. This cylinder has lots of technical terms related. The distance from the center of cross section means one end, cross section to one end or either end is known as radius, and distance between the cross sections either side is known as height of the cylinder. We have lots of mathematical formulae related to cylinder, and this whole chapter mensuration is based on formulae. So you need to memorize the formulae, because without the formulae, chapter sums cannot be solved. The first one, or first type, we consider it as solid cylinder. Solid cylinder means you have everything compact, solid. First one is curved surface area. Which is written as CAC, and curved surface area means this entire curved path we need to calculate. If you look at this chalk is in form of cylinder, and this front part is known as cross section, which is in form of circle. So when we calculate curved surface area of this cylinder, we are talking about this curved part. It has a formula, it is 2 pi r h. R stands for radius of cross section, h stands for height of the cylinder. We will get curved surface area. Second one is called total surface area. And this total surface area is combination of curved surface and the cross sections. You have two cross sections either side. So curved surface area is 2 pi RH, and there are two cross sections which are in form of circles, plus 2 pi r squared. This portion is curved part, curved surface area, and the top ones are in form of circles. So when we calculate total surface area, it is curved surface area plus area of two circles. Third one, it is a three-dimensional figure. So we need to calculate its volume. Volume of cylinder is always equal to pi r squared h. Pi r squared is the area of circle and h is height. Volume equals to length into breadth into height. This length into breadth is area of circle because you have circular ends, and h stands for height of the cylinder. So these are three formulae you need to remember for solid cylinder. When question has cylinder means it is solid. Then you have second type, that is called hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder, which is something like a water pipe. Water pipe is a hollow cylinder. If you look at this, there are two cylinders. One is outer one, then you have inner one. The first formula is to find the thickness. This thickness you will be asked to calculate. And since we have two cylinders, so outer radius is taken as capital R and inner radius is taken as small r. To calculate thickness, you need to use radius of outer cylinder minus radius of inner cylinder. Second formula, inner curved surface area. Curved surface area of this inner part, it is 2 pi small r h because height remains the same. Similarly, number 2, outer curved surface area, outer one, so it is 2 pi capital R h. Third one, you need to calculate total surface area, the outer one, inner one, top and the bottom. Total surface area, it is inner plus outer plus you have two concentric circles at the top and two are at the bottom. Concentric circles. So we get 2 pi capital R squared minus small r squared. Formula to calculate total surface area of a hollow cylinder. Formula number 5. Volume of material. Because hollow cylinder is made up of some material, so you need to calculate volume of that material. And it's simple. Volume of hollow cylinder or volume of material is pi h capital R squared minus small r squared. Because there are two cylinders, so it has to be outer, volume of outer minus volume of inner. These are 5 formulae you need to remember from hollow cylinder. And the formulas are given in the book. You can just go through page number 391. You have solid cylinder, there are 3 formulae. For hollow cylinder you have 6 formulae. I forgot to write one, area of cross section. Area of cross section can be written as, okay, number 6. area of cross section. It is pi capital R square minus small r square. Formula based, all mensuration topics are based on formulae, so you have to memorize these formulae and then you have to apply to solve the sums from the exercise, and it's not difficult. Question number 1 from exercise. Find the total surface area of cylinder, solid cylinder of radius 5 and height 10. I'll change the value. Total surface area is asked to calculate. Radius, we can take it as 10, and height we can take it as 20. Question says that find total surface area of solid cylinder, and you require only 2 dimensions, that is radius and height. Total surface area 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Write on the formula. This formula can be simplified and written something like this. 2 pi r is common, you get h plus r. Take 2 pi r common, you get h plus r. Now substitute. 2 pi is kept as it is because question says that leave the answer in terms of pi. Radius is 10, height is 20 plus 10. 2 into pi into 10, add it up, you get 30, multiply it. 300 into 2 is 600 pi centimeter square, because we are finding area, so unit has to be in centimeter square or meter square. You can do question number 1 similar way. I have changed the values. Question number 2. An electric geyser is cylindrical in shape, having a diameter of 35 centimeter. Diameter. I'll change the value, take it as 21 centimeter. You don't have diameter in the formula, so most important thing is radius, and we can calculate radius using diameter. Radius is always half of diameter, 21 by 2 centimeter. Leave it like this. Then question says that height is 1.2 meter. So I'll make this height as 2.2 meter. Okay, 2.2 will be quite long. Let's take it as 1.4 meter. And please do remember this. One dimension is given in centimeter and second dimension is given in meter. You cannot solve the sum with 2 different units. This has to be converted into centimeter. 1.4 into meter gets converted in centimeter. You multiply by 100, 140 centimeter. Then question says that find its outer lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is another name for curved surface area. So lateral surface area, or you write curved surface area. 2 pi RH. This is the formula to calculate curved surface area or lateral surface area of a cylinder. Geyser is in form of cylinder. 2 into value of pi, either it can be taken as 22 by 7 or you can take it as 3.1 as given in the question. Question does not have value given, so we take 22 by 7. Radius is 21 by 2 and height is 140. Simplify this. 2 cancels, 7 3 times. 22 into 3 is 6600 centimeters square. This is the surface area, outer area of geyser. Second part, it says that capacity in liters. Capacity means how much water it can hold. And whenever you see capacity, remember we are asked to calculate volume. Capacity, volume. And we know the formula to calculate volume of a cylinder. It is pi r squared into height. 22 by 7, radius is 21 by 2 volts per. Height is 140. 22 upon 7, 21 upon 2, 21 upon 2, 1 upon 40. You substitute this, then simplify. 2 11 times, 2 70 times, 7 3 times. 11 multiplies 3 multiplies 21 into 70. You multiply all these, you get values in centimeter cube. Volume has unit of centimeter cube. So you multiply, see how much it comes. 33, 11 into 3 is 33, multiplies 21. 36, 36, 396. Then you multiply by 7, 7 into 3 is 21, 2, 9, 63, 65, 6, 63, 69. So you get 69510 centimeter cube. But you have condition given in the question, get the volume in liters. Therefore, capacity in liters, centimeter cube should be converted into liters, and remember 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So when you convert centimeter cube into liter, you need to divide by 1000. Cancel these zeros. 6951 divided by 100, which can be written as 69.51 liter. Simple sum, formula based. Capacity means volume, curved surface area 2 pi RH. Conversion. So please do question number 2 similar way. I'm doing sums with different values so that it will be easier for you to solve the sums from exercise. And I've been telling you calculation is very, very important. Question number 3. Similar sum with different value. A school provides milk to students daily in cylindrical glasses. Glasses in form of cylinder, and students are provided with milk of diameter 7 centimeter. Diameter of this glass is 7. So you write down the dimension. Diameter is 7 centimeter. I told you you cannot do calculation with diameter. Get radius 7 by 2. Keep it in fraction. Don't get into decimal. Calculation will be difficult later on. If the glass is filled with milk up to 12 centimeters, so it is filled up till 12 centimeter, means that height is given. Height of milk is 12 centimeter. How many liters of milk is needed to serve 1600 students? Question says that how many liters of milk is needed. Liter is the unit of volume. So what do? We calculate volume of milk in each glass, because glass is in form of cylinder. So you calculate 2 pi r square h, use formula of cylinder. 22/7, radius is 7/2, square, you don't have to put whole square, multiply same value twice, height is 12. Once you substitute, simplification is needed. 11 into 7 into 6, 42. It is 462 centimeter cube of milk is there in one glass. Now we calculate volume of milk required for 1600 students. Volume of milk in each class means one class will be taken up for one student. So we have 1600 students. One student drinks 462 centimeter cubes, so 1600 will drink more, so you multiply it. Leave it like this, you don't have to do simplification. Volume of milk required in liters. 462 into 1600 divides by 1000. Calculate. Zeros you can cancel. And since you have 10 at denominator, so you should not be cancelling it. 462 multiplies by 16. 6 into 2 is 12, 36, 37. 24, 27, 2, 6, 4, 2, 9, 37. It is 739 by 10. Decimal 739.2 liters. 739.2 liters of milk is needed for the students. 1600 students. So you try same question, change the value, take diameter as 40 and height of the milk in the glass as 10, and take 2500 students. Calculate yourself, change the values. That is how you practice. Question number 4. Question number 4. In the figure given below, a rectangular tin foil of size 22 centimeter by 16 centimeter. There is a rectangular tin foil. It is 16 meter by 22. So I'll change the values. 8 by 11 is wrapped around to form of a cylinder of height 16 centimeter. So you have cylinder which is being wrapped. Height is even 16. Question says that find the volume. So you have two figures here. Separate rectangle. And you have cylinder. Look at this calculation. Length of the rectangular part is given 11 centimeter. Height is given, which is equal to 8 centimeter. I made a mistake. This height should be 8 centimeter. These are two dimensions given for the rectangular tin foil. Height of the cylindrical part is given, that is 8 centimeter. And question says that calculate volume. So one dimension is missing out here. Radius is not known. And since this rectangular tin foil is wrapped around curved surface area of cylinder equal to area of tin foil curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Area of rectangular tin foil is length into breadth. And with the help of this given condition, we can calculate radius to 22 by 7. Radius we do not know. Height 8. Length is 11. Breadth is 8. You have to simplify this. Cross multiply 2 into 22 into r into 8 equal to 11 into 8 into 7. Make r the subject of formula. 11 into 8 into 7 divides by 2 into 22 into 8. 11 2 times 8 cancels. Radius we get it as 7 upon 4 centimeter. We got the radius. Now we calculate volume. Volume equals to pi r square h. 22 by 7. Radius is 7 by 4. 7 by 4. Height is 8. Cancel it. 2 times 11 times 4. 2 times 2 cancels. It is 77 centimeter cube. Look at the calculation part. Rectangular tin foil is used to calculate unknown dimension radius because it is wrapped around. So whatever area the rectangular tin foil has will be equal to curved surface area of cylinder. We find radius using the condition. Once you know radius, you can calculate the volume easily. So you have so many important formulae, and I told you mensuration is based on formulae based. So please do memorize the formulae and do question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 from the exercise. It is 17.1. Thank you very much. Keep practicing and stay safe.